What is youth information? Information is a powerful right, as it gives access to other rights. If we don't have information about our rights, how can we exercise them? Access to reliable information has become even more important in the digital era, where information overload is part of our everyday life. Education, employment, health, housing, mobility, getting involved. Having the right information at the right moment is key to becoming an autonomous and fulfilled citizen. And this is exactly what youth information and counselling is all about. Ensuring youth-friendly information for young people and with young people. This is ERICA, the European Youth Information and Counselling Agency. ERICA works to intensify international cooperation in the field of youth information and counselling. Our members represent all kinds of organisations providing these services, and they work at local, regional and national levels to ensure that young people get the information they need. We promote youth information service innovation by supporting youth information workers, capacity building activities and tools, research on youth trends and needs, youth policy development and advocacy. The European Youth Information Charter is a set of professional principles for youth information and counselling work. It ensures that youth information is independent, accessible, inclusive, needs-based, empowering, participative, ethical, professional, and proactive. It's a prerequisite to sign up to the Charter to become part of our network. ERICA has members in most European countries. Our network is also open to organisations from outside of Europe. So what are the benefits of being an ERICA member? Accessing and exchanging good practices, taking part in training and capacity building opportunities, partnering on a range of European projects and benefiting from their results, contributing to developing youth information in Europe in cooperation with peer professionals and experts, receiving support to innovate, establish and strengthen youth information services, contributing to policy-making processes at European level, and so much more. Thanks to the ERICA network, thousands of youth information professionals and volunteers all around Europe are better equipped to support young people's critical thinking and access to understandable and reliable information. You may have learned a bit more about youth information and ERICA, but there's a lot more to discover. Get in touch with us to find out more.